Hi, today I'm going to show you the way to make such a lovely small pot for your dollhouse. I got a piece of brass in here, so I'm gonna cut off a smaller piece of it. Right in it. Now, what I got here is an old bearing. It's still good, but it's old, so I'm not gonna use it anymore. And I have a bolt or a screw, whatever you call it. As you can see, they fit, but not perfectly. There is a free space between them. This is exactly what we're looking for. So, what we do? We need to apply some oil on our piece of brass, like this. And then just press this sandwich all together. Now the most difficult part is to make everything straight. Okay, looks good. Let's try it. Just a little bit, just to see. Now it's not straight, so we're gonna change the position a little. Now that is much better. And all we got to do now is just simply press it again and again. Now, as you can see, it already looks like some kind of small pot. And everything depends on what kind of a shape you want to achieve. Of course, there is some critical dimensions which you will never get. I just physically cannot get the pot more than this, bigger than this, because the metal rips to pieces like this. If you will try to make your pot too big, it will fall apart. So don't be greedy. Now, if you don't have such wonderful stuff, you can do all the job manually. Right now I'm gonna show you how you can do it. So, applying some more oil. You take this bearing and just hammer it. Hammer it hard as we can. Looks much better. Shit. I've been too greedy. I wanted to make it a little bigger, and it just, as you can see, it's dead. So I will have to start over. Okay, now this this is my pot 2.0. I believe it looks pretty lovely. So what I'm gonna do now is I will cut off all this stuff and, well, I will make it look like a pot. Okay, this is how this pot looks now. All I need to do is drill small holes in here and here and make some kind of handle, and it's gonna be done. And this is it. This is exactly what I wanted to achieve. Yes. So this is it. Very small, even tiny pot for a dollhouse.